Welcome to My South Africa. Here we talk about all things related to business and entrepreneurship using examples and illustrations that are easy to follow. The cleaning industry is one that has been gaining some traction of late in South Africa. This is a brief guide on how to start a cleaning company. The cleaning industry is divided into two market groups: consumer and commercial cleaning. Residential cleaning. The consumer market group is mainly directed to individuals and usually offers services like maid services, carpet cleaning, window cleaning. These services are mainly for private residences. You might also be required to clean the bathroom and the house overall. Commercial cleaning. Commercial cleaning services are more focused on cleaning operating premises for companies. These services are usually done in the evening or after hours. Services can include maid services, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, etc. It's possible to serve both of these market groups. A lot of cleaning companies do. Here are some steps to follow when starting a cleaning company in South Africa. Register your business. We strongly recommend registering your business. Registering a business in South Africa only costs 125 rands. You will also get a business account if you are registered through FNB. Invest in professional branding. Branding is very important for every business. You will need to invest in getting a logo, a website, uniform, and other things that will boost your brand. You will not get any tenders if you don't seem credible and professional. A good logo costs anywhere between 150 rands and 1,500 rands in South Africa. A standard business website will set you back anywhere from 1,200 rands to 2,500 rands. Building your brand and making your business appear professional will make it easier for you to get clients and tenders. Try to get uniform for your staff and make sure your public image is professional. Operating premises. Luckily, this business doesn't require you to operate out of a commercial space. This is a business that you can start from home. This will save you some money when it comes to startup costs. This is mainly because most clients will not come to your offices. Everything will be done electronically. They don't need to come to your offices ever. The work will be conducted at their offices or residences. Initial costs. These are some of the initial costs of starting a cleaning company in South Africa. A uniform, window cleaner, paper towels, cloths, latex gloves, scrubbing brushes, an all-purpose cleaner, a duster, a sponge, and disinfectants. These are not hefty initial costs. What might contribute to these costs is labor, which shouldn't be a problem if you are not hiring anyone permanently. Insurance. A liability insurance will protect you in case your employee causes damage to a client's home or valuables. This can be a massive burden and cause financial strain to the company, especially when the company is just starting out. Try to get insurance as early as possible, but be aware that this will be a monthly expense. This is something you can do without if you rarely get any clients. Some cleaning companies barely get 3 clients in a year. Paying for insurance in that case would be a waste of time. Labor requirements. The labor requirements will depend on the scale of your company. You will probably need 1 to 2 employees when starting out. Employees are paid anywhere between 40 rands and 120 rands per hour. It would be wise not to hire anyone permanently when starting out. This is because you'll have the burden of paying salaries even when you are not getting any clients. Paying employees per hour worked is often the best option when starting out. You can hire employees permanently when you get clients consistently. Pricing. Factors like location, competition, clientele, size, and other conditions tend to influence the price. Cleaning companies usually charge anywhere between 500 rands and 900 rands per hour. You will get clients that try to negotiate and bargain for lower prices. It's important to make sure that it doesn't end up costing you. Make sure that you'll be able to pay your employees and still make a profit. Anything below that will hurt your business. Vehicle. You'll need a company vehicle to transport all your equipment and supplies. It can be very difficult to transport all your supplies in a public transport like a bus or a taxi. Try to hire a vehicle every time you get a gig. This will also make you seem more trustworthy. Clients won't hesitate to pay your asking price in most cases. Marketing. A lot of cleaning companies get most of their clients by word of mouth, but this is difficult when starting out. Most cleaning companies tend to use local newspapers to advertise their services. This can be a very effective way to spread awareness about your business. The leading source for getting clients is still digital marketing. Try to set up a website as soon as possible. This will make your business seem professional, but try to use it to generate sales as well. You can drive a lot of potential clients to your website and end up converting them to clients. This can be done by running digital ads on Google and Facebook. You can get hundreds of clients per month by doing SEO on your website. SEO is basically optimizing your website to rank for relevant keywords on search engines like Google and Bing. Opening a cleaning business doesn't require a lot of capital. This business allows for high flexibility in operations, business model, and scaling. Done successfully, it can produce high profit margins. This is because very little goes to overhead costs and operating expenses. This was a brief guide on how to start a cleaning company in South Africa. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Comment below.